Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a form so that people can subscribe to your mailing list from your website. So first of all you need to go into your list area so that you can actually attach the form to your list. So I'm going to select list from the left hand menu over here, and then I'm going to go into my client mailing list. There's some options on the right hand side on this drop down, so if you click on this drop down menu you'll see there's an option for sign up forms, and I'm going to select that. Now I'm going to use the General Forms tab in order to do this. So if you select General Forms, and that comes up with my email subscribe form. So as you can see, this is the default option. You've got the email address, and most people probably want to collect the first and last name as well. If you don't want that, if you only feel like you need first name, you could always remove last name if you wanted to. I'll just demonstrate that. So I can click delete, and I can literally type delete just in order to confirm what I want to do, and then we have it. So it's a much more simple form. Oops, I've actually just accidentally deleted first name. You don't want to do that probably, but there we go. You see the possibility there at least. Now I have an option up here to add a header, and I thought I might actually use the one that I have actually uploaded before. So I'm going to click on change and then select the images tab, and I can use the same header that I used before to set up my email template. So there we go. I'm going to click save and insert. So that's my logo there. So it's quite nice to do that. You don't have to do that. You could add text if you wanted to instead. You could add a much smaller logo. So whatever you want to do in there is absolutely fine. Now there's a little content box here as well, so you can add a little message to welcome people or let them know what they're actually signing up for. So I might just have something like weekly tips on setting up email lists. Okay, so you add a bit of content there for the person, and that's it. That's basically the setup. That's the basic setup, I should say. If you want to, you could do a bit more designing. So if you go into the Designer tab, you'll see there's lots of different options in terms of background colours and the header and the outer wrapper, so you could change the box if you wanted to. There's quite a few different options here, so do have a play around, especially if you've got a specific set of colours and fonts for your website. You can align that and it will look very, very, very smart as well. Okay, so that is that form all set up and ready to go.